The 7 headmen of areas along the interstate border with Assam, along with the Basan Thangkhiew and some of the leaders of the Congress party in the state, today the 12th of April 2022, had gone to seek an appointment with the Chief Minister of the State Conrad K Sangma in his office chamber, but were denied entry despite his presence in his chamber at the main secretariat building. Talking with newspersons, the Basan Thangkhiew said that all land-related documents are with the government, including non-disputed areas along the border. Thangkhiew also felt that the government has not based its border settlement as per the map of 1876, which actually includes all areas belonging to Meghalaya. He added that the areas falling under the district councils of Meghalaya will ultimately become non-tribal areas should they be included into Assam territory.
Decide without going into that 1876 kalau important naman kani 1876 kakta lang yung next phase. Pi next phase karon sa kani ka desh dombria ka right dombria kataro ka digaway na kirat ke ba hap hapo ka di pa jongi basan pat kabade yung sa image law munta ka himamaliam. Di kani ka diga right ke bahaya na do nang ni berni snapur katar kani ka diga sa second phase. Dalam munta di base na kita ke 1876 kinsuya di kumtu na po ayu mutkanik kan founding sa po 1876 namar ba ya kani ka dombria ya kani ka right dombria namar ba kini ka slaver fight kadai ba ki base na po 1876 namata ki ignore upay kani but ngi la apa ngi la do upay ka dis dombria ru namar ko magalonghi sige brio laro mantaro dan naka ayu jengki nyam karu kom jengki bat makir bilang willing ba banginuan bat ngi sengi sufi kan namar ba kumbagi yo so kata kamlang officially yung bang jaka jongi subuh kajaka jeung imbe menta klade sa Assam ray kitray lang himangi kitray katang ilang ngam sulawan padiang teh marsin baka jaka jeung igarang deh hapo section deal hapo di pa jong ka district council menta kala hab sa Assam long no kamlang suka tribal land tin kanang kai ka ba bang im sutanat ke nomor ba klem ka ding bot ga klem ka ding kun jok tin nangi la susim laksim surai la karai kata kalong kai bang sosi sibur.
Noted advocate and Congress member of the state, K Sangma, while speaking on the recent MoU on border settlement between the states of Meghalaya and Assam, said that it is a matter of political convenience between the two states since the process of agreement has gone against the constitutional process that has to be followed during the signing of any agreement between two states.
We have MoU ka Shillong no. It is a matter of political convenience for the MPA government. Because after all, Big Brother Assam is looking over their shoulder. So since the BJP government is there in Assam, they will have to abide by what Assam wants. So now Assam is very happy. We saw how Himanta Biswa Sharma, when he came to the NEPA, Northeastern Police Academy, his smile was from one ear to the other ear because he has got what he wanted. What is the signature of two chief ministers? Because this is a constitutional process, it has to go to parliament. The survey has to be done, and the people, you will not allow survey, I think. Will you allow survey karne ko dega usko ko? Nahi dega. Kadang ka kuasa tak sih. Ini siapa ke? Basan Thangkhiew mesti order te. Halo kendo ko joki, joki, tapi kendo yo mesti order te. Mantana kalian ka joki ro. Ni kerpen bagi yo mesti order.